So here you can see they are more bigger size for 1809 and 1380, and also you can see that here are all like this. Okay, yeah, just now I show the video of the hours for the VML vertical machine center, but it's a big size. For the big size, we have to say we have enough advantages compared with their competitors. The size, the bigger, and we the higher advantage of us. Yeah. So let's go for the machine body. As I showed that the forging is manufactured by our own forging manufacturer. Yeah, all the forging. Yes, you can see the stability and the rigidity of our forging parts. And now I will show you the structure. I mean the machine body of your mood. VMC 37E. Okay, let's go. 那台的在哪里 ？Come on。
这个都可以看，这个都可以看。
啊，这都是哈。
这都是裸机。
啊。So you can see here we stock enough machine body here, special for the fast delivery. Yeah. And 是3线的是吧？
哦，这个应该是对，是线轨的。这 Z 轴还没立起来呢。
Generally, we use a linear guide to protect the guarantee the rigidity and accuracy of the machine of ours. Okay, come on. Yes, you can see here it is. We are all here, are all stock enough the machine body for the faster delivery. And over there is some other horizontal machine center. I should tell you that the most advantage products of ours is gantry milling machine. Gantry milling machine, horizontal machine center, vertical machine center are all our main products. But we can see that we are the #1 for the gantry milling machine. So if you have an inquiry about gantry milling, you also can send inquiry, and we will try my best to give you the best solution with the performance, good price. And in the other side, if you become our distributor, you can have a wide product range to discover the market in Turkey. So sincerely hope we can get start cooperation with each other as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.